How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from your Android phone. So imagine you open up your gallery and you don't see your photos and videos. You actually even open your trash and they're not there. Or maybe some of your photos and videos are here, but that specific one that you want, that you know it was there, is not anymore. Well, I'm gonna show you how to recover it, and it's super simple. Let's begin. Okay, so in order to do that, you're gonna need a computer. Please keep in mind that this method is Windows only, but Windows is so universal, it's always there, so I'm sure you'll be able to get it, to borrow a PC from a friend or family member, and of course you can do this with anyone's PC, it doesn't even have to be yours. Okay, so the first step is to get the PC and then go to this page. Of course, I'm gonna have a direct link in the description, so just step there and then you're gonna come to this exact same page right here, which is for Stellar. More specifically, Stellar Data Recovery for Android. And as you can see, it's a free download, guys. As you can see, you can just go ahead, click on free download. And of course, I'm gonna go through with the process with you step by step. So let's go ahead and download it. As you can see, it's already there. I can just go ahead here and just close this page. I don't need it, but the download link is right here. It's downloading it, and just wait a second. And there we go. We can go ahead and open it up. Let it load. Right here, we're gonna want to allow changes, so yes. And then of course, let it load once again. We can now minimize the page and of course, start with the installation process. So next, next, next. We all know the drill, right? The typical .exe file. We're gonna install it and it's just gonna install in a few seconds. Now that we're done, we can just click here on finish. And then we already have the icon on our desktop. We can double click to open it up and let's get started. You may see a pop-up window like this asking if you want to allow the app to make changes. Yes, you can allow, no problem at all. Then Stellar will start initializing. And as you can see, we've got here the information that you can save up to 10 videos and photos with a size up to 10 megabytes each, using the demo version, which is the version we're going to use in this video. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. And as you can see, we've got the information here where to recover data from. So from an Android phone, WhatsApp Business, Google Drive. So it's so complete. But of course, in this video, we're going to focus on Android phone. So before we actually get started, we need to get our Android phone and then get it ready to recover all of the information. So what we're gonna need to do is actually go ahead, pull down right here on the top corner, and then go to settings. And then we're gonna scroll all the way down until we get to about phone, click on the option, and then go to software information. And then right here we have build number. We're gonna need to tap on it 7 times. As you can see, there we go. It's gonna ask for the current PIN. So go ahead and enter it, continue. That's the lock screen passcode. And as you can see, developer mode has been turned on. Great. We can actually come back here and then come back once again. And then right here on the very first page of our settings, we can keep scrolling all the way down because now we have developer options. Tap on it. And then of course, we need to enable USB debugging. But before we do that, let's plug in our Android phone to our computer, to Stellar, right? So let's get here one end. I'm using a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. So plug it in. Always make sure to use a good high quality cable if you want to make sure that the process works perfectly, okay? So we have here the indication that it's charging. That's great. Right here, we don't need to do anything here on the computer. We need to focus on the Android phone. And now we're gonna actually scroll down, keep scrolling until we get to USB debugging. Press on the option, OK for USB debugging. And as you can see, allow. Perfect. That's all that we need. Just to make sure, pull down on your notifications here and then look for the USB connection. It's probably gonna be right here at the bottom, so USB for file transfer, or maybe something different on yours, but look for this notification, tap on the option, and then this is very important. You need to set to USB tethering, this option right here. You may hear a chime on the computer, and again, a confirmation for debugging. Go ahead and allow, and that's exactly what you want, okay? Now, you can already go ahead and come back to the home screen, leave your Android phone right here on the side, connected to the computer, and then we're good to go. So, move your cursor and click on Android phone. Here we have all of the information you can recover, all of the data. So photos, videos, audio, messages, contacts, call history, documents. Look at how much stuff. You can go ahead and select specifically what you want to recover, or if you want to, you can recover the whole thing. So let's go ahead and click on next. As you can see, it's saying that it'll start scanning the device. Perfect, that's my Android phone, correct. So we can go ahead and click on scan, and then it'll start scanning. As you see, we have a dedicated screen page right here on the Android phone with Stellar information. Great. You can go ahead here and then wait a little bit more, and as you can see, scan was complete. Select Android device. Great. So we can just go ahead and click on OK. And right here we have all of the information that Stellar actually managed to retrieve from our phone and that we can actually recover. So let's start with photos. As you can see, we've got 20 photos right here, videos, audio files, and even messages, documents. We have quite a lot of stuff. So let's just, as a demonstration, because again, we're using the demo version right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and deselect all of the files because we have a limitation for the demo version. So I'm just gonna deselect everything, and then I'm gonna come back to photos and then just save this single file right here, recover this single file right here. Let's go ahead and click on save. As you can see, we can choose a location. Perfect. We can go ahead and save it to the desktop and then save complete. There we go. We have the folder right there. We can click on OK. Of course, we got the information that we now have 9 files that we are able to recover at the demo version. Perfect. I'm going to talk about that in a second. We can cancel that, and then of course it's already gonna open up the folder, which is this folder right here. So let's go ahead here to photos, click on it, and then we're gonna find our photo right there. And there we go. As you can see, our image, the file, the folder we have just recovered from our Android phone in the exact folder that Stellar has created right here in the desktop. So that's basically it, guys. How easy is that? In my opinion, the easiest, most convenient way to recover any deleted or lost file from your Android phone. Now, keep in mind, this is not guaranteed, okay? Stellar does its best, the best job to actually recover deleted or lost data and files, but of course, it's not 100% guaranteed, but it's for sure your best bet. Okay, so make sure to go ahead right now to Stellar's official website. Of course, I'm gonna have a direct link at the top of the description. You can see right here, Stellar free Android data recovery software. You just download it, do as I did, and it'll work for you as it worked for me. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video as usual, guys. Bye bye.